Asuntosketti Jyväskylä, Vapaudenkatu 75 in Jyväskylä. Staircase B.
This is a really rare Valmet elevator.
Yeah.
Jyväskylä is one of the best elevator places. Because it has lots of old Valmet and...
And Valmet clearance with Valmet fixtures.
Yes. Can we film it? Is it now modernized or?
What? First one or?
I mean the Valmet clearance with the Valmet buttons.
In 1959 we won to 4, but at least 2 they are going to be modernized, but they are original.
Nice.
But I think 2 of Valmet's clearance have been modernized.
Okay. There used to be one similar one in Imatra.
Yeah.
And the interior similar as the 60s counties.
Yeah. Repair show 240 kilograms.
I cannot take the 3 or 3 right?
3.
Okay. And you can see to the shaft easily.
Yeah. Not so easily, but...
Yeah, but somehow.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector and maintained by Schiller.
Runs relatively good even though it's inspected by, maintained by Schindler.
Yeah.
It's nice that the elevator adventure there started so nicely with these Valmets.
Yeah.
No niin. Käykö kanssamme sitten?
That's it.